Welcome to JH. Aerofoot has been taking over social media lately, featuring those futuristic shoes that claim to let you hover like a low-budget superhero using advanced propulsion technology. Sounds like a dream, right? But before you try to trade your car for a pair of sneakers, let's ask the big question. Is Aerofoot actually real, or is it just another viral hoax? Stick around until the end, and let's break down the truth together. The first major concern is that these Aerofoot videos were entirely AI-generated but were shared without a single disclaimer. Because apparently, honesty is so last season, this led millions to believe they were seeing real flying shoes in action when it was actually just digital art. These viral hoaxes are making it nearly impossible to trust actual technology. It's getting so hard to distinguish between genuine innovation and clever editing that I'm starting to wonder if my own toaster is real or just a very convincing hologram. To add to the skepticism, there is zero official proof or statement from the GITEX organizers or any major tech company confirming that Aerofoot was ever showcased at their event. Those supposed live demo videos were totally fabricated. Furthermore, the creator behind these clips, John Muller, isn't exactly a robotics engineer or a tech inventor. He is a highly talented AI artist known for creating hyper-realistic digital concepts. Basically, Aerofoot exists only as a creative idea, not as an actual product you can put on your feet. Misinformation like this spreads faster than a celebrity scandal because people love hitting the share button before actually engaging their brains. So is Aerofoot legit? That would be a hard no. It is not a real product. There is no working prototype, no patent, and certainly no official launch. It's a brilliant concept for a sci-fi movie, but for now, Aerofoot only exists in the world of imagination and AI creativity. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on what's real and what's just digital fairy dust in the world of viral tech.